back to another episode of the Friday Tech Roundup, where we give you the inside scoop on all the latest and greatest tech news. So without further ado, here's the rundown. So first up, FinTech Revolut has been given a green light to run a cryptocurrency business within the UK. This comes just as the $33 billion fintech awaits a decision on its UK banking licence, faces questions around its auditing, and faces a cyber attack affecting around 50,000 customers. Next up, Shell is to acquire renewable energy provider Daystar Power, a West African provider of hybrid solar power solutions. The aim is to deliver carbon emission reductions and to power cost savings for the C&I businesses within Africa, whilst Daystar expands its presence to other African countries. Number 3, Tim Cook, Chief Executive at Apple, has delivered an exclusive interview with the BBC, discussing the profound implications of augmented reality and the concept of the metaverse. Also discussing the launch of Apple's Founders Development Programme for female founders and app creators within the UK. Cook goes on to discuss, although companies have made progress on diversity, there are simply no more excuses to not employ women within tech. Number 4, Telefonica and Qualcomm are to collaborate to build XR metaverse systems. The aim of this partnership is to grow out the metaverse and to extend the reality ecosystem by using Snapdragon spaces, as well as upskilling Telefonica's internal team and external innovation programs. And finally, SP Energy Networks have developed a tech that can detect potential faults on the electricity network before they happen. Data produced by smart meters and electricity substations highlight where a potential fault may occur, helping engineers to predict the exact location so that they can then go and repair this. Before you head off, this year we are super excited to be sponsoring the Snowflake Data Cloud World Tour on Tuesday the 11th of October. Make sure to join us along with the rest of the data community as we learn about the newest innovations to the data cloud and what is coming next. If you're attending, make sure to look out for our Global Logic stand. So thank you for joining me on this week's episode of the Friday Tech Roundup. I'll see you next week with even more tech news.